We have recycled a lot of different products, glass and vinyl and aluminum and different resources or scrap or what have you, and we'll take that and we'll recycle that. I believe it's over 11,000 tons that we have recycled over the years. In turn, we've also have, for example, I know we're not talking about stone today, but we have a stone plant. And as the rain comes into the gutter system, that water is cleaned and purified and then actually used in production process to actually manufacture stone. And so there are just different resources we try to capture and reuse to make the environment better. One other thing that I think is important is that ProVia has won Energy Star Partner of the Year for entry doors, more than any other company in the industry. And normally they give it to one company in the entire industry. And again, we've won it, I believe there's 15, 16 different times that we've won that.